Today in the cattle market, it was firm. The futures hit a record high in these last recent month or so. But as soon as it started to top out, the sellers really came in. The cash trade was just a little bit quiet today, but those ground beef retail sales did very well. And that just tells us that there's going to be strong demand that's going to be expected in the early part of 2019, certainly in the first quarter, or actually like right away in January. The markets have been actually very strong on the beef complex. The feeders were steady. The packers continue to kind of pay up for the beef prices, and that really is keeping it moving. Now the feeders were kind of lagging behind the live cattle markets, but they're finally starting to come along. But after their surge, the futures started in the day, the markets did pull back again with profit taking, and the feeders are finally starting to catch up with the live cattle market, and they're kind of in lockstep. Now they aren't surging that huge because we're still battling the government shutdown as well as the U.S.-China trade wars, and that will significantly impact these markets as soon as we can get some understanding as to which way we're going to go. We are looking for some real direction after that, but we've been kind of fatigued with this for the trade wars, at least for the past 6 months. It's been kind of difficult to gauge where we're going to go. At any moment we can have an announcement that could actually help the market. Hogs were also on the rise today. There has been some seasonal optimism that kind of is underpinning the market moving higher. Now, we did have a pullback about a week ago, and it's starting to churn little by little higher. Now, of course, we have more reports of the African swine fever, and we are fatigued a little bit with that, and that's why we're not seeing a big surge in the market. But that is going to come into play, as well as the resolution, whenever it comes, for the hogs. Hogs and soybeans are the ones that will be affected the most, and it should be a positive thing if we can get that going. So fundamentally, though, this shortened week makes it more difficult to kind of move through the supplies, because tomorrow is going to be a quiet day for the hog market, and certainly everything is going to be closed, but we're expecting there's going to be good things on the horizon. So in the meats all the way across the board, everything is really starting to strengthen. So I think we can rest assured that we have some positive things on the horizon. So that's something to really look forward to as we end 2018, a very challenging year, and begin 2019. So Happy New Year.